सो हेलो पीपल. आज का पॉडकास्ट इज थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट बिकॉज जैसे नॉर्मली यू गाइज हैव सीन कि हमारे सर पे सर स्टार्ट करते हैं एंड द अदर पर्सन आंसर्स ऑल द क्वेश्चन देन वी हैव अ कॉन्वर्सेशन. बट आज का इज डिफरेंट बिकॉज apparently Gen Z interns are here. So like today we'll ask questions and we'll have a conversation with us, sir. So hello, sir.
Hello.
Uh,
Hi.
honestly, expression say it all. But uh, how was your experience working with us?
Mm, Usually it's me who asks the clients how was the experience working with me. But I Gen Zs are, it was a good experience. There have been a few hits and misses, more hits than misses. But that was expected anyway, given the lack of um, not knowledge but professional ethics maybe sometimes.
Fair.
But again, that's expected because we have not been into, I wouldn't call it a corporate culture, but we have not been a part of a larger team, right? So, but it's been a, it's been a good experience overall. I mean, we started putting out content on social media, and we also started taking marketing a bit more seriously, to be honest. So that was a plus. And since you have already worked previously on your shorter stints in internship or training capacity, so it was easier to, you know, make you understand. So overall, it's been a good experience. Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So, like, you have more than a decade of experience in this field, and like, you have worked in multiple startups. So, I assume that you have worked with lots and lots of people of different age brackets. So, like, how was dealing with Gen Zs maybe different or challenging or whatever you may call it?
Yeah, that's
So adding to that,
yeah,
adding
yeah.
to this question,
Please.
the point is कि हमारे साथ usually नए challenges भी देखेंगे. मतलब you are also expert in the marketing
No,
field.
I am not. I
नहीं sir.
wouldn't call myself an expert. This is a loaded and relative term, so let's not. Right.
Of course. But sir यहाँ पे ऑफिस में जितने लोग भी जितने डिपार्टमेंट
Relative, yes. Relatively, I have.
रिलेटिवली
Yeah.
तो सर हमारे साथ आपको कौन से और नए challenges भी देखने को मिले?
Hmm.
Other than just people, what challenges आपको आपको लगे कि भाई मार्केटिंग
I would, yeah, I mean, I would say it is challenging working with Gen Z. Um, uh, I've hired previously, I've hired interns previously that fall into this Gen Z category.
Mm-hmm.
I believe this is called a J, it's called
Yes.
a age bracket.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
at one point of time, I believe I was also a Gen Z.
So,
For somebody else, because again, it's a relative term, maybe, I don't know.
no,
How is
actually,
it?
it is like कि, if you're born after 1998, you are a Gen Z.
Oh, is it? I
Yeah.
thought it's age bracket.
No, no, sir.
not like
Because at one point of time I was your age, so I thought I would also. But that's not the case. I don't know. But anyway, yeah. So it was challenging a few times, but um overall it wasn't challenging as such because you guys knew what to do. Again, challenges were mostly because of um, lack of working in a professional environment earlier, but I believe I'm not sure if I'll be hiring any more Gen Zs, to be honest. And nothing against Gen Z guys, but um, so you lose patience after a certain age.
Yeah,
of course.
understandable.
So when you have kids at home, you can't have them at office as well. Again, nothing against Gen Z.
Sir, but we were तो good kids, no?
See, as I said,
Are
these
Charlie
all are
looking from there?
no. So
That's
good, bad, expert, all of these are relative terms.
true.
So I may find somebody better than you.
I
Right?
mean,
So overall, yeah,
I mean,
wasn't challenging, but challenging for at for a few times it was challenging.
interesting. I mean, for the Gen Zs who are watching this podcast, what just Sir said that the grass is always greener on the other side. So, like,
Yeah,
that is the case.
that is the case.
And okay, so like talking about me, it was like a very good experience working here, and learned a lot. Like learned a lot about so different things. Like I come from a non-technical background, so it was very new, and I really enjoyed.
Right.
And
Good to know that.
sure, something you want to say?
So as you, matlab, I have another question. Like as you mentioned, as we also know, like, I also know that you have a decades of experience. तो हमारे लिए मतलब we are the starting our career right now.
Yes, I was expecting that.
हाँ, so मतलब one line advice for us except the patience वाला thing, because I feel Gen Z's के पास patience कम होता है generally.
So there is this famous Sanskrit line, Shane Kantha, Shane Pantha, Shane Parvat Mastake. Anything you want to achieve in life, you have to be patient.
Okay, interesting.
शने कंथा शने पंथा शने पर्वत मस्तके. आपको if you want to climb a mountain, you want to, let's say, run 100 miles, or you want to learn something, तो ये सब धीरे धीरे होता है. Patience is, see, either you have the ability to be patient, or life teaches you how to be patient.
That's a good one.
So it's better you learn how to be patient instead of waiting for life.
To teach us.
क्योंकि लाइफ कभी भी सिखा सकती है. कभी बुढ़ापे में सिखाएगी पेशेंस रहना तो बड़ा दिक्कत हो जाएगा उधर.
सही बात है.
और बुढ़ापे में तो भी होना ही पड़ता है पेशेंस, राइट. इफ यू when you cross a certain age, you'll have to be patient. So it's better be, apart from being patient, it's the attitude that matters when you are dealing with patience,
Of course.
right. ये सब उठा के फेंक देना मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है. I'm not going to do this. ये मेरी बात नहीं समझ रहे हैं, वो मेरी बात नहीं समझ रहे हैं, ये ऐसा है वो वैसा है. इट ऑल हैपेंस. तो पूरी गीता इसलिए लिखी गई थी कि अर्जुन वॉज इम्पेशेंट एंड अर्जुन वॉज इमोशनली इम्बेलेंस्ड.
Okay.
Everything else is secondary. If you can learn how to be patient, and how to control your emotions, everything else becomes secondary. You can learn anything, you can achieve anything, you can be anything.
If
All
you
it
have
takes
patience.
is that balance of emotion and the balance of attitude when you are learning something, and because that requires a lot of patience.
Agreed.
तो ये जो शने कंथा शने पंथा, इसमें शने वर्ड है ना, सो एस्ट्रोलॉजी में ना शनि को बूढ़ा ग्रह बोलते हैं. 7.5 ही लग रही है शनि की, ढैया लग रहा है.
हाँ.
तो 2.5 साल में वो एक चक्कर घूमते हैं और 7.5 साल में सूर्य भगवान के चक्कर लगाते हैं. तो इसलिए उनको शनि बोलते हैं कि खुद ही धीरे हैं.
तो इंसान को भी धीरे बनता है.
इट टीचेस यू पेशेंस. फॉरगेट एस्ट्रोलॉजी इफ यू डोंट बिलीव इन इट, वो तो ठीक है,
हाँ.
बट एटलीस्ट लेट्स गो बाय साइंस, है ना. जैन जी तो हार्डली बिलीव्स इन एनीथिंग फॉर दैट मैटर एनीवे,
No comment.
That's an interesting point.
है ना. तो नहीं, द रीजन व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड शनि कि वो धीरे ही चलते हैं.
Right.
तो आपको वो एटीट्यूड और पेशेंस और जो इमोशनल बैलेंस है ना वो रखना पड़ेगा, अदरवाइज इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. 80% of the time in your career, whether you are a businessman or an entrepreneur or running your own, your inherited business, or dealing with people in your job or whatever it might be, 80% of the time is going to be, with people only. और उनके साथ में बड़ा पेशेंस रखना पड़ेगा, जैसे मैंने तुम लोगों के साथ में रखा, ठीक है नहीं.
सर मैंने लास्ट पॉइंट की वो आप एक कोट बोलते हो मेरे को हमेशा, अभी आज भी बोला था आपने.
So the quote was, fortune favors the brave, of course it does, but it also favors a man in motion.
Okay, interesting.
So there are two parts of, at least from my experience, I mean, of course, we will probably have a lot of experienced people, but from my experience, धन की दो प्रवृत्ति होती है. There are two properties of wealth. One is your wealth that you call asset, another is your liquidity. है ना. You cannot, आपके पास में करोड़ों की जमीन है लेकिन आप उसे आलू नहीं खरीद सकते. यदि आपके पास में पैसे नहीं है तो जेब में 10 रुपए तो चाहिए ना आलू के लिए, राइट. the liquidity and assets. In your initial, when you are starting up your career, you should be focused more on building your assets, reducing your churn. You don't need to get that iPhone, you don't need to get that car, or you don't need to get that, maybe smartwatch. I don't know, right? I mean, anything
which does not
It-
valuable for our work.
which doesn't, हाँ मतलब यदि if buying a MacBook Air probably or a MacBook Pro with an M series, it makes you more productive.
Then
That's an investment. That's not an you know
it's an asset, but it's an investment asset.
it is, of course, I mean यदि मैं accounting terms बोलूँ, that's an asset for you. That's a depreciating asset. I mean, being a consultant, so
Until unless rate बढ़ जाए.
that no, it won't. That's until unless you own a lot of RAM, महंगी हो गई है अभी, right? So you have to make sure that you keep the momentum alive. You have to be part of that rotation of money. Anyhow, it could be with having side gigs, multiple jobs, so it could be anything for that matter. But if you have to be part of that, क्योंकि at least हमारे दादाजी बोलते थे कि खर्चे आप कम नहीं कर सकते हो,
कमाना बड़ा.
Bingo.
कमाना आपके हाथ में
Yep.
है ना. आप टैक्स कम नहीं कर सकते हो, वो बढ़ना ही है. आप खर्चे कम नहीं कर सकते हो, महंगाई बढ़ना ही है. आप आपकी कमाई कंट्रोल कर सकते हो. अब आप कितने स्मार्ट हो,
हाँ.
वो आपके ऊपर.
अब वो स्मार्टनेस का भी क्या है कि नॉलेज जो है ना, मोस्टली इट इज यूजफुल, इट इज नॉट यूजफुल अंटिल इट अप्लाई. मेरे को दुनिया भर का ज्ञान है,
पर ज्ञान नहीं करोगे.
पर यदि मैं उसका यूज नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ,
हाँ.
अभी जैसे मैंने ये अच्छा संस्कृत में बढ़िया एक वो बोल दिया अभी, अब मैं खुद ही उसको यूज नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, तो क्या काम था,
True.
राइट? द अप्लाइड नॉलेज इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन नॉलेज.
Okay. So yeah, मतलब this was very interesting to be very honest. But like one of my last questions is कि
One of my last, as in there are going to be more last questions.
like
This is the last question.
yeah, well,
Kind of.
yeah,
I'm just trying to translate it here.
yeah.
Literal translation means that there will be more last questions.
नहीं,
But that's an oxymoron. There can be only one last question.
I got I was failed in grammar.
The way you formatted that sentence is the, is testament that you failed in grammar.
I mean,
You lead by example.
इसकी तो क्लिप काटनी पड़ेगी. हाँ, सर तो
That's what you guys crack jokes about anyway.
yep.
So I am like, my generation is lucky enough to be part of the white ball wala and बहुत सारे काले बाल वाला. We get to learn gray hair से we get to learn how to कितना मुश्किल है जीवन.
Yep.
और काले बाल वालों से मालूम पड़ता है कितना आसान है जीवन.
I mean, ironic, but yeah, that's life.
हाँ.
So like sir, like you told कि we are dealing with teenagers, you've dealt with us, so like yeah, crazy. Okay, so like we were having that question कि one piece of advice for your teenage self.
There is no advice I would give. The only thing I would say again is have patience, control your emotion, as simple as that. Nothing else. I wouldn't change anything in my childhood, and I would call myself lucky or probably fortunate enough to have a very balanced livelihood in my childhood. These are two different things.
Yeah.
Right? So if you are lucky enough, if you are listening, be grateful. If you have enough resources, be grateful.
Okay.
But again, having resources and being grateful is not enough. So you'll have to be grateful. You'll have to be, you have to have patience. As simple as nothing else. There will be bad times. There will be good times, and that's totally fine. Bad times makes your character. Good times makes you realize the value of life. right? So I have developed the ability to move from philosophy to humor to, actual work, be technical, because, I'll tell you why I have developed this is because I've read a lot. तो अपना जो 30 सेकंड वाला मोबाइल फोन का, यू हैव दिस 30 सेकंड का जो वो है, मम्मी
Yeah.
सही बोलती है, फोन इज योर दुश्मन.
Instead of scrolling, watch these podcasts, man. You'll
Read
get some
books.
knowledge.
Read
Read
books.
books.
I think I found you
Yep.
in
One of
library.
the libraries. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. That was
You
interesting.
should read. How many books do you read
Like
after we met?
after we met, like sir, only one. वो भी आधा क्योंकि
That's fine. I mean, at least you try it, but
yep, tried but failed.
read while you can, because उसके बाद में टाइम नहीं मिलना है.
Hmm.
और या फिर हो सकता है टाइम निकालना पड़े पढ़ने के लिए. So read as much as you can, because reading itself teaches you patience.
Yeah.
Read whatever you like, fiction, non-fiction, whatever you like, right? So
And
that's it.
पढ़ने से you'll become articulate as well. So yeah, that's a plus one. Uh, I have a lot of questions.
Being articulate is important, very important, because as I said, you will be dealing with people most of your time,
Yep.
irrespective irrespective of your work, life, relationships. 80% of your time you will be dealing with people. So it's better to be it's better to, be articulative. So,
Okay. So, like, I know it's time to end the podcast, but yeah, I have so much questions. Can I ask one?
yeah, I think he had one.
Little. You have one?
नहीं, I just wanted to say कि we started this podcast. Let sir end this.
हाँ, sir will end this only.
With a conclusion line, what we say.
हाँ.
I never thought of it.
Okay. So, like, this conversation is going pretty well. So, like, one interaction that I remember vividly, like, I came to you with a thing that I don't know. I don't know how to do that. And you just told me ki go search it on the internet. You have abundant resources and all that stuff, you know. So, like, sir, what's the problem of today's generation? Like, we have all the knowledge and resources and whatnot, internet. But why we are getting dumber and like attention span kam ho raha hai and we are not able to do
30
shit.
second reels, as simple as that. But 30-second reels are your, they are killing your attention span. Those 30-second reels we scroll,
Yep.
that's killing your attention span. And secondly, resources होना और उनको यूज करना दोनों अलग अलग चीजें है ना. अपनी खुद की गलती निकालना और रियलाइज करना कि हम रिसोर्सेज होते हुए भी हम यूज नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. सो देयर आर 3 स्टेजेस. वन इज ये आपके पास में रिसोर्सेज ही नहीं है जो कि हमारे पास है. With the advantage, with the new AI and all, I mean, it's just it's very easy to learn.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
सर मतलब आपका जो पॉइंट था कि 30 सेकंड वाला, एज अ वीडियो एडिटर आई कैन लाइक टोटली
Relate.
एंश्योर दैट, हाँ रिलेट दैट, कि मतलब हमको भी आजकल यही बोला जाता है कि भाई 30 सेकंड से ज़्यादा वीडियो लेंथ होगी तो यूज़र देखेगा ही नहीं.
हाँ
मतलब
मतलब
विद जनरेशन जो इंस्टाग्राम पे सबसे ज़्यादा मेजोरिटी में है वो 30 सेकंड की कंटेंट से ज़्यादा देखना कुछ पसंद ही नहीं करती है.
ऐसे तो इलॉन मस्क और मैं, वी डोंट अग्री ऑन अ लॉट ऑफ पॉइंट्स. But I do agree with him on this point कि the worst invention of this century is 30-second reels.
Okay.
है ना. तो please ensure your attention span is your, it's the most important thing.
Yes.
And that will improve only when you start reading, whether on internet or on phone. Maybe read long articles. पर फोन तो मम्मी से ही कहती है फोन एक दुश्मन है.
So we are on the brink of concluding this.
Yeah.
Uh,
Now,
so please.
conclusion, I would say for all the Gen Zs, you have good amount of resources, internet, you have a faster internet speed, you have less power cuts, you have better CPU speeds, although the RAM is very costly nowadays.
Yeah.
But anyway, right? You have much more summarized things. You've got a platform created by your parents or your forefathers, maybe. So make good use of it. Make good use of it. Make sure you give back something to society. And the more you give, the more you get.
Yep, that's like true.
That's like that isn't true for you guys because you have not given anything back to society yet. Just start giving.
Yep,
That's when you will realize how true it is.
yep,
It's true for you because it is written somewhere. मैंने बोल दिया, किसी experienced आदमी ने बोल दिया, तो you are, you know, thinking कि ये true है. But until and unless you experience it yourself, don't consider it as true. करके देखो,
okay.
right?
Uh,
So
but-
that's all. I think we should conclude.
Yes.
sir.
No, go.
Okay. One last question for the viewer जो last तक हमारी podcast देख रहा है. I'll keep it short. But yeah, जो जैसे RAM का बात हुआ तो one question struck my mind that is कि like AI and job, AI and आपकी jobs चली जाएंगी और 10 साल में jobs exist नहीं करेंगी तो like मतलब as a business owner, what do you think? Is this true? And like what are the implications, repercussions I would say?
AI, it's going to be cheaper. I was reading DeepSeek yesterday. We use DeepSeek by the way internally as well. It's much cheaper, and you know we get similar results as compared to frontier models. At least the Sonnet kind of thing, as compared to Claude Sonnet, for example. So that is going to stay. The only thing is I've gone into the economics of tokens as well. Economics being one of my favorite subjects to study. The economics of AI doesn't sit well. There are going to be repercussions. It's not like people are going to lose job, but it is going to be one of those moments wherein we had computers. One time there were no computers, then we had computers. So people who adapted computers, they thrived.
Yeah.
The ones who rejected it were, just waved off. As
Yep.
simple as that. So then internet came. People who rejected internet were probably, but apparently some people took internet very seriously, and then we had dot-com mobile,
Yep.
right? So ultimately, everything, if you see, everything is connected to money. And as I said earlier, the more you remain in motion, the more money you make. As simple as that.
Okay.
So the same principle applies to AI as well. Use it for your own good. It's totally fine. People are not these layoffs, whatever we are, hearing right now. They might be, be the result of over investment in AI. That's not going to happen in the long run, to be honest. No. From what I have read, people will be required. You can't
Totally
put your
depend on
judgment
AI.
or allow a machine to make the judgments,
Yep.
right? So AI is going to be there, but it is going to be much cheaper in the long run, and hence more people are going to consume. As simple as that. So you better make sure that you are aligned with it, right? And by the time you guys anyway, if you guys pursue masters, it will be another 2-3 years, I believe.
Yep.
Before you start finding for a job. By then, this AI wave is going to anyway be settled. Currently, it's in the hype mode. From what I have heard, again, not from what I have read, what I have heard, the economics of it, it's still in hype mode. By the time you go, if you are doing masters, by the time you get out of college, it is going to subsidize quite a lot. So you'll have better opportunities that way. But till that time, learn AI. How to use it, how to make good use of it, how to make it your ally instead of an enemy. As simple as that. Yeah.
Yes.
Yep. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much for keeping up with personally my bombardment of questions. Thank you so much for keeping up with that. Thank you so much.
Yeah. I was going to say thank you, but then you are in turns.
Thank you.
You should be.
We are grateful, sir. We are grateful.
Hashtag.